What's up, bitches? New day, new project. Anyway, yeah, we got a new project for my truck. I'm gonna change the bed setup. As you guys can see, I already sold my old racks. They used to be right over here. But sold them for a good reason. We got Rough Country Trifold. I don't know how to install this, but I don't think it's that hard. So let's get to it. Okay, goodbye. All right, first things first, I'm gonna clear out all my tools that are inside the toolbox. Take out my toolbox, and we're gonna hit it with some degreaser and some water. Clean it up before we close it in. So let's get to that real quick. All right, got all that cleaned up. So while that dries, let's open up all these parts and see what's inside. So it turns out there's not much in here. We just got some bed rails, the cover, and the hardware, along with some drain tubes. So let me go figure this out real quick and we'll see what we gotta do next. Oh yeah, the reason we're changing the bed setup and putting a cover is see that? That's a baby seat. Shit. Gotta grow up now. Shit. But yeah, I don't have any room in the truck anymore, so now I need extra room, or all the room I can get, which is from the bed. And we have a very expensive stroller that I'm not trying to put out in the rain, so you know, I'm just trying to justify why I bought this, but yeah, that's why I bought it. All right, let me read the instructions real quick. Be right back. All right, so not too bad. We got some motherfucking thingies that are gonna slide into the stock rails like that, or like that. See them? I'm gonna slide 3 of these on each side, mount up our rails, and then we also have to drill out. So right there, that little foam thing, that's a drain. We have to drill on both sides, somewhere around there, so we can run our drain hole so that when it rains, it will dump everything out. It's not gonna be 100% waterproof, but at least they thought of it. They also gave some foam for you to stick between here. See that? So I'm gonna stick on that foam real quick, and then we'll get to using these the hardware and mounting everything. Yes, sir. All right. Now we're gonna drill these guys in. So remember I said over here is your drain. It goes on like that, and we're just gonna drill something right in here. I watched some videos before, and I know you shouldn't drill too far this way because there's like a metal bracket right behind here. So you want to come offset a little bit, kind of in line where this is already. Boom. Okay. But yeah, get yourself one of these little Amazon special step bit. You know what I'm saying? Boom. Okay. If you have anything else, you fucking don't. Besides Ryobi, Ryobi's pretty cool. Alright, so we're just gonna measure. Take this and just go swoop, swoop. Boom. Right. Just make sure when you stick this in there, there's like a nice radius. It's not all gonna get like caught at the bottom. It's gonna just straight out and dump out. You know what I'm saying? Boom, something like that. Something like that. And do that to this. No man's here. That's it. And then I think these we gotta stick them on top of the cover, and then at least the very last fold back here. The last fold is a tri-fold, so this one folds, that one folds, but this one stays fixed. So that'll be this. I think it mounts like that or something. I don't know. Figure it out. Be right back. You turn it off or what? Yeah, so this is that fixed fold I was talking about. So we're just gonna stick these in here, get that screw in. See what I'm saying? Other side. Alright, and now we just throw it on top. Yeah, so now you're just gonna slide it and fucking hook it onto there and tighten it up, and that's it. All right, that's it. So let me show you what I had to do. See that? It just kind of hooks in there. And you just make sure that this is sitting flush. There's like a little lip. So this piece will butt up against here. And then you can lock everything down. And yeah, let's see how it is. So you got some clips if you want to leave it in there and drive with it open. Oh God, please work, please work. Flush. So also, if you're wondering, hey, people can still get in there. Yeah, but what the fuck you talking about? See me. So the reason I bought this one is because you don't have to fuck with clamps that are on both sides. If you buy the cheaper ones, you have to undo a clamp that's in here on this side, and you have to go on this side and do that one. But that's why I like this one, because you just have to pull one string, opens already, no matter which side you're on. It'll open. So. It. Now I gotta go fill it up with the good shit. See that? Go fill it up with some good shit. Thanks for watching, everybody. So easy, anyone can do it. If you can't do it, probably shouldn't have a truck. Bye now.